Hello, today we're going to learn to do a Flexagon and you'll need the template, you need colored pencils, scissors and tape. Let's get to it. We're going to start with the first step. We need to color the first row of the template. So we're going to color the first row with pink. Just finished coloring. Now we're going to use our scissors and we're going to start cutting along the outside line. Alright, so now we have finished cutting. We're gonna start folding our template. And the way to fold it is by folding every single line that you see. So we're gonna start with our corner and we're gonna be folding this way. So now we finished folding and we have folded every single line that we have on our template. Now we're gonna start building our Flexagon. To do that, you need to look at the part that says glue, and then we're gonna put it together, and it's gonna look something like this. Now we're gonna start using our tape, and we're gonna start taping it this way. So you wanna make sure it's on the sides, like that. And we're gonna do that for each one of the sides. And once it's like this, we're gonna just put it together this way, and we're gonna add the tape one more time in this part right here. And one more time on the back side. So it'll be right here. Alright, and that's it. Now our Flexagon is ready. Alright guys, so we just finished our Flexagon. Now I wanna see what you guys come up with. Please use hashtag NCSConnects.